Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about budget boost for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So if you're in the Jeep Grand Cherokee scene, the Jeep WJ, you've definitely heard about budget boost, which is the cheapest option to lift your Jeep. But is it worth it? Today I'm going to tell you guys why I think maybe you should consider a budget boost. For the budget boost itself, it's about 50 to 80 bucks, but if you want with shocks from like rough country or something, it comes out to about $250 with shocks. So it's not a bad place to start lifting your Jeep. The process of putting it on is really easy. I thought it would be hard, but it's actually not. So on my Jeep here, I actually do have a 2.5 inch budget boost. I've had them on for about 2 years. So my Jeep has about 200,000 miles. And I use the stock coils in the rear, but in the front I actually have the upcountry coils from a Jeep that had like 30,000 miles or something super low. So I put those in the front, and it kind of gives an even look from the front to rear. So it's 2.5 in the rear, 2.5 in the front spacers, plus the upcountry springs, which I think it's about 1 inch of lift. The benefits of having a budget boost is, you know, you get more ground clearance from the bottom of the Jeep. So with the budget boost, I have the 2.5 inch. I'm able to fit 31s. I did have to trim the front bumper a little bit, which is not a big deal to me, but maybe for some of you it might be. So that's where I had to trim. I used to have wider tires. They would stick out like past this. So when the rear would flex, it would hit up here. So all I did was bend the lip inside, and that cleared it up. So if you are lifting your Jeep, I would consider getting an adjustable track bar. I would go with the Trail Forge. It's really good quality. The bushings are great. I had a JKS before and it was not good at all. Do not get JKS. Go with the Trail Forge or Core. Either of those are good options. Anyways, you would want to get a track bar just to center out your axle, because with the budget boost it does move it to the side a little bit. On mine I did upgrade the shocks. I have the Bilstein shocks, and honestly they're the best shocks I've ever used. When I first put them on, like, it was the ride quality was really good. They're already like 2 years old, but I would definitely recommend some of those. Your Jeep probably has blown shocks and worn out springs, so think about that when you're thinking about buying a budget boost or an actual coil spring lift kit, because with the mileage that your Jeep has, they're probably worn. So I don't know, think about if you really want to do a budget boost, or actually save up and get like a 3-inch coil lift kit. So one more thing you want to keep in mind when you're lifting your Jeep is upgrade everything in your front end, all your bushings, all your ball joints, all that. Make sure everything is good, or else you're gonna get death wobble. It's something you have to do. Your Jeep probably has over 150,000 miles and it needs those parts, so change them out while you're doing the lift kit, and it'll save you a lot of time and headaches, so you don't get death wobble. But yeah, I would recommend getting a budget boost because it's honestly really cheap to do, and it'll get your foot into the door with the off-road world and upgrading tires and upgrading your car. If you have any more questions about my experience with the budget boost, be sure to drop a comment down below, leave a like on this video, and share it with your friends. Peace.